In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Wix Studio. If you're building or editing a site in Wix Studio and things feel a little too close for comfort, zooming out can make it easier to see more of your layout at once. This doesn't change your live website or your design settings. It only changes how the editor looks on your screen, so you can work more comfortably and get a better overview. When you're in Wix Studio, look to the very top of the editor interface. You'll see a percentage, often showing 100%. That number is your current canvas zoom level. Depending on what you were doing last time, it might read something like 90% or 125%, but it's always displayed as a percentage right along the top bar. To adjust it, simply click on that percentage. This opens the control where you can change the value. Reducing the number zooms the canvas out so you can see more of your page, your sections, and your grid at a glance. For example, moving from 100% down to 90% or 75% will make everything on the canvas appear smaller, while keeping your tools and panels in place. As you lower the value, notice how the canvas scales down smoothly. This is particularly helpful when you're aligning large sections, checking spacing between elements, or reviewing long pages without a lot of scrolling. It's also useful if you're working on precise positioning and want to see how different parts relate to each other across the page. A quick tip: don't confuse the Wix Studio zoom with your browser's zoom. The percentage in the top bar controls only the canvas inside Wix Studio, which is ideal for design work. If you ever want to return to a normal view, click the percentage again and choose 100% to reset. That way, you can switch between a detailed view and a broader overview in just a click. If you don't immediately spot the percentage, make sure your editor window is wide enough and look along the top toolbar for the number with a percent sign. It's part of the standard editor controls, and that's all there is to it. Find the percentage at the top, click it, and lower the value to zoom out. It's a simple adjustment that can make your workflow much smoother and your layout easier to manage. Once you've set a zoom level that feels comfortable, continue designing as usual. Your changes to the site itself are unaffected until you publish. There you go. You now know exactly how to zoom out on Wix Studio for a clearer, more efficient editing experience.